Hello friend, how are you? Today we will see our account. Don't forget your Xiaomi account password. You should keep your Xiaomi account password safe. If you forget your mother's account password, you can reset it by clicking on the link, and after that, you will be able to access your mother's account. If you click on the Xiaomi account, you will see your balance there. But previously, the Xiaomi account was logged in, and I think it has been added, but it is not signing in, so I will check it. So click on the link here. If your return is not processed, then click on the link here. Click on the link here. So at the door, remember the number I provided when I opened my account. That number I provided, I opened my account with that number. So you must have the number and you will provide it correctly. So the number I had, I opened it with that number and I have saved that number here. So after that, click next to see what's there. At the door, you will see what will happen, so you must watch your video carefully. So here, you need to check if your MI account is opened with the name you provided. So select your country at the door. You should select the country where you are living. I am Bangladeshi, so I selected Bangladeshi. So click next to check if you are a robot, and here you will click on I am not a robot, and after that you will see a robot check. Traffic will check if anyone is on a bicycle. So my work is done. So here I will say that the 0 is correct. That 0 is not there because the 0 is there from before, and then you will click next. After that, click I am not a robot, and then you will proceed. The big calm is to be. If our goal has been successful, then you should click on the next link. Your phone number should be selected here. Your phone number should be selected here. Your phone number should be selected here. Next, if you click here, you can directly receive your SMS. Not everyone can receive it. So, tell me about it, and I will directly send the SMS. After clicking the SMS, then wait. Wait until it arrives. If you call me, it will tell you correctly if you call me. If you call me, if you call me. If you call me, because I'm for lucky, more than you see. If you don't call me, if you call me, you can see the discussion here. So we can see the discussion here. So we have had a discussion here, after which you should click on submit. Everyone, click here to see that there is an option to reset your new password. So what should you do? There is an option for your new password here. So you can enter it as you wish. So my password is finished. What should I do now? Click on submit here. So after clicking submit, you will see that our reset password process has been completed. Okay, so this works. So the number you have provided, do not sign in with that number. So my number has finished, my password has finished. After that, click here to sign in. Then you're and can you click the link. Our Amazon account has successfully been created. So this is our Amazon account now. If you forget your Amazon password, you can recover your Amazon account. You can also share your account. So look, our Amazon account is an account.